Hi and welcome to my channel Healthy Organic Food Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make an effective weight loss drink with few healthy and easily available ingredients. Here are the list of ingredients. To a mug like this, add 1 cup of hot water. Then to this add 1 teaspoon of peppercorn. Pepper is high in antioxidants, benefits your brain, improves blood sugar levels, lowers cholesterol levels and has cancer fighting properties. Then to this add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Jeera or cumin seeds has anti-cancer properties, treats diarrhea, controls your blood sugar levels, fights against bacteria and has anti-inflammatory properties. Cumin seeds helps in digestion and thus helps in weight loss. Give it a quick mix. Then close it with a lid and let this rest overnight. Next morning, let's open and check. The essence of the ingredients are well extracted to the water. Strain and add it to a mug like this. The next ingredient is lemon. We'll need about a teaspoon of lemon juice, so half the lemon is more than sufficient. Add it to the mug. Give it a quick mix. Now our weight loss drink is ready. You can enjoy this weight loss drink right away. Enjoy this drink after every meal and you can include this diet in your weight loss journey. Thanks for watching my video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Healthy Organic Food Recipes. Stay tuned to my channel for more healthy and organic recipes. Thank you and bye-bye.